Hello, I'm Dan Summers, Director of Collier County's Bureau of Emergency Services and Emergency Management. Here we are in another hurricane season, and we can't stress enough your individual and family preparedness. And we've been fortunate the last couple of years not to have a major storm event, but those of us that were here for Irma know how hard we all worked to manage through that disaster, how hard it was for local businesses in Collier County and all of our subcontractors and partner agencies, those in human services especially that work so hard to help put our community back together and in many cases put lives back together. And you really can make a difference by being as self-sufficient as you possibly can, making sure that your home is disaster resilient, ensuring that your individual homeowner's insurance, your renter's insurance, your flood insurance, those things are going to be your first line of defense if we get a major landfall event. Secondly, we encourage you to make sure that you've discussed with your employer what those plans are for business interruption or resumption of services after the event. It does take time to put our community back together, so to speak, to get all of the infrastructure and the building blocks back in place so that we can go back to normal operations. And from there, we need your patience. We ask everybody to help be part of the solution, not be part of the problem, and understand challenges like four-way intersections or traffic signals that are not quite right or debris in the roadway. Be patient. It takes time to clean up and takes time to put these systems together. And most important, you know, the thing I have seen the most that's very impressive in Collier County is neighbor helping neighbor. And that's what really needs to take place if we go through one of these events. So you help your neighbor out a little bit, make sure everybody stays safe, understand that county government, our public safety agencies, our human service agencies are all working very hard to get things put back in place. So again, look at our website at collierem.org. Check us out on Facebook and Twitter. Check ready.gov. So much information is out there, and we encourage you to take advantage of that and take action.